this is me, my unboxings and fun here today. Today I'll be having the unboxing of the newly released Samsung Galaxy A17 in 5G. This device just got released today in the UK, so it's currently August the 14th, 2025, and it just got released here in the UK for £199.99. So this device comes built in with 5G, as you can see very nicely on the device's box. It also comes with some handy AI tools, which have just been built in the device. And of course, Samsung and other manufacturers like Google and Apple are now introducing AI into their software. You know, it's a new thing that's happening now in 2025. So this, for a budget price, you're getting that in this phone, which is quite good. It also comes with some decent cameras and also, other features as well, which I'll be talking about throughout this video. To start off with, I just want to take a closer look at the box before I actually open the box. So you can see at the front, it says Galaxy A17 5G, and you see the nice blue color that I purchased there. On this side, you can see it says slim design, 7.5 millimeters thick, 50 megapixels optic image stabilizing camera, and also 6 times of OS and security as well, which is excellent. It says Samsung on that side, and it also says some other information here and the IMEI information there down below. So what we're doing now, I'll just be opening the box to show you what we get inside of the box. So I'm just gonna open these two tabs here. It's never been opened before, so it's quite exciting to see what we get inside. Okay, cool. So to start off with, we get the classic Samsung sort of insert. So we get the SIM ejector tool, which is always useful, and always manage to lose these. And I'm always running around finding, a used earring or something that I can just open it with. But yeah, keep that handy all the time. So what we have here is the sort of USB-C to USB-C charger here. So if you've got a nice fast charging adapter, I believe this phone supports up to, 25 watts of fast charging. You can definitely use this with the phone, which is excellent. It also comes with a classic Samsung quick start guide, which no one reads. And then what else do we get in the box? So inside the box, we also get this energy sticker, which I've actually never seen before in a phone box. You also have the statement of compliance and other bits and bobs. And then what else do we have? Oh, we've got a bit more. Also, I believe some quick start guides in different languages as well. Okay, let's get to the phone because that's the main part. So as you can see, I've got this in the blue color, which was very nice. And that's why I thought I might as well just get this color because it's the nicest color. It comes with this nice sort of fabricated covering, which is classic when it comes to Samsung devices. Okay, guys, so this is the device out of the box. I'm just going to show you a quick tour around it. It has this nice sort of premium square feel. It almost feels like the Samsung Galaxy A53 in my hand. So for that £199 mark, it feels quite premium in my hands. So at the bottom, we've also got the USB-C charging port, and you can also see one speaker down below here. And remember that USB-C charging is going to be 10 watt minimum and 25 watts maximum. On the right hand side, what we can see is the power button and the volume up and down button. At the top, there's nothing special, and on this side, there's just a SIM ejector tool. Now, on the back of the phone, it has this nice sort of matte texture at the back, which is very nice. So at the back here, what we can see, there's 3 main cameras, a 50 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel camera, which is excellent. And then at the front, we've got a front 13 megapixel camera, which is decent, especially given its price point. So I'm just going to turn the phone on now and put it to a side and see if it actually does have some battery in there for me to turn on. Okay, does it have any battery? That's really strange. Okay, it does. Okay, so I'm just going to put this to a side now and then hopefully just wait for it to set up. I'm just going to see what else we get inside the box, and there's nothing else. Okay, cool. So we don't even get a charger in the box. I'm guessing everyone has a charger nowadays, hanging around. It's not like, how it was back in the days where, they just released it and, no one had a charger before. So, yeah. But anyway, the phone's coming on now. Okay, so the phone is now on. Okay, and I don't understand the language, but okay, I'm just going to connect. Okay, and then it says here the different sort of options. So I'm just going to select English. So I'm just going to click next, agree to all. Okay, oh, not as quick as I expected it to be, but okay. Oh, sorry, next, set up manually, skip.